Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create a seamless masking transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive in. First, import your clips and place them on the timeline. Place the transition clip on the second video layer and the other on the first. Make sure they overlap each other. Now, move your timeline slider to where your subject starts passing by the screen. Highlight your transition clip, go to Effect Controls, and click on the Pen tool, and begin tracing an outline behind your subject. Then check off Inverted. Now click the stopwatch icon for the mask path. Then click on Mask 1 again to see the mask we will draw. The more accurate your trace, the better your transition will be. Now, move your timeline slider ahead 1 or 2 frames at a time and extend your mask to cover the extra part of the exposed screen. Repeat this process till the whole transition phase is completed. Adjust the mask feather to soften the edges and create a smooth transition. A value around 10 should work well. Play the timeline to preview your transition. Adjust the mask keyframes and feathering as needed for a seamless effect. And that's it. This is a quick masking transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.